Hello, Shomai. My name is Luke Fletcher and I'm the member of the Senedd for South Wales West, as well as my company's economy spokesperson and now chair of the cross-party group on apprenticeships alongside my colleague Hugh Ranker-Davis. I'm sorry I couldn't be at your conference, but I wanted to take the opportunity to just talk briefly about the cross-party group and why we set that cross-party group up. Now, back in October, we received the first of a number of news items in relation to the apprenticeship programme here in Wales, and we thought at that time that we would need a cross-party group in place to discuss on a cross-party basis the challenges facing apprenticeships and how we scrutinise government, as well as offer solutions for the way forward. Now, I'm really keen to get started on the work. We have a couple of meetings lined up. I hope to see a couple of you guys there over the next couple of months, even years, to help contribute towards our policy programme and suggestions to the Welsh Government on how we improve apprenticeships for everybody, because we know how important apprenticeships are, not just for young learners now, but also for older learners looking to reskill, which is going to be vitally important when we consider the shift to net zero and the growing of the green economy. So again, hope to see you guys very soon, and really sorry I couldn't be with you today.